I have 1 hour, my iPhone, and XDesign AI to create professional product photos for this candle. Is that even possible? So join me for this creative challenge and see for yourself if it's really possible to create professional product photos in minutes from the comfort of our homes without a professional studio. So here is my plan. First, I'll take a simple product photo of this candle using my iPhone. Then I will start using XDesign to generate different backgrounds for it. My goal is to create at least 5 professional product photos so I can promote this candle on Instagram, Pinterest, and Etsy. A high-quality product photo starts with a high-quality product photo. So I'm gonna take a few plain images of this candle on a white background so that I have a really good base for my more creative AI-generated images. Welcome to my professional photo studio for the day, aka my bedroom. And this is my professional camera, my iPhone. And this is my professional backgrounds, hobby boards from a hardware store, and a piece of paper. There is a patch of sunlight on my windowsill, so I'm gonna use that to take a very bright photo of my candle. I'm gonna prop it up on a box so it's easier for me to take a photo straight on and not tilted. And this is how the result looks like. As you can see, it's very bright and there are some strong shadows. And now I wanna show you how to take a photo without such strong sunlight. I'm just setting up next to a window. This product is very reflective, so we can see the sky and the tree and the window. That's not good. But if I place milk glass, it diffuses the light and blocks the reflections. But there is also another reflection from the room on the right. I'll just place another whiteboard to block it. But I can also place my black piece of paper. It's going to deepen the shadows, give more volume to this product. And I actually really like this look, so I'm going to take a photo like that. And here is the result. Okay, I've taken my photos. Now let's see what we can create with XDesign. I'm gonna go to x-design.com and upload my first image. Open up the background generator. It automatically removed my background. I could refine the product or the cutout if I needed, but it's looking good already. There are 3 ways to generate backgrounds: presets, clone, and custom. Let's start with presets. First, I wanna try tabletop backgrounds. Let's try this blue one with a window shadow. I click generate and XDesign gives me 4 options to choose from. Whoa, this looks so real. The lighting and details on this one are very realistic. Now let's try to add this candle lit effect. Apparently AI can light up my candles for me. I don't know about you, but it's still mind-blowing to me that this takes seconds. Now let's try to use the same preset with a different photo of the candle. This preset is sunny, but I took my photo with soft light, so I'm curious to see what will happen. Oh, it matched the lighting of the background to the lighting of my photo. That's good. There are also ChatGPT backgrounds inside XDesign. They might change the appearance of the product slightly. Let's explore it. First, I want to try this minimalistic one with a mug. Yeah, you see, it changes the appearance of the product to blend it with the background better, but it still looks very real. If you see set on a template, it will generate 4 images at once in the same aesthetic for your product. The main picture, a lifestyle scene, a handheld shot, and a detail shot. Creating 4 images in one click is pretty good. They are different but in the same style, which is awesome. How many images did I generate already? So let's say I have another candle of a different color and I want to take photos of it in the same location as I did for my blue one. Well, I go to the clone background and I can upload this picture. I upload my new candle photo, it's a purple one, and generate. It's like I have my own virtual photo studio and I can bring my products there. But that's not it. There is also custom background generation. This one is the most exciting for me just because I can let my imagination take charge. The beauty of AI is that we can create whatever we want. No need to limit ourselves by a realistic environment. So let's try that. This candle is very cartoony. Its shape is so fun. It looks like a little cloud. It smells fresh, like fresh air. So what if I set this candle on a cartoony, dreamy, ethereal meadow? And the best thing is, I can add a reference image. It took me a couple of minutes, but I found a couple of really fun reference images to use. They were also generated with AI. I'm uploading my first reference of a summer picnic and I will not even write a prompt. I don't have time for that. Oh my god, this is so exciting. It's just like from one of the Studio Ghibli's cartoons. I can't wait to see what will happen with my pink reference. Wow, so dreamy. And what if I will add that candle lit effect? I love these. Okay, I have one more reference image. And what if I wanted to make a picture with 2 candles? Well, that's really easy. I'm just gonna click add and add the same picture of the same candle. And I'll click generate. Look at that. These candles have never looked better. If I saw a picture like that online, I would definitely stop scrolling. And what about you? Okay, I took a couple of more minutes and I found like a different reference image with bubbles and smoky clouds. Let me try to use that. This is like a pastel dream. What I really love is that unlike other AI tools, XDesign preserves the original appearance of the product. It doesn't distort it. Instead, it matches the background to it. I want to create a couple of more images with the smoky bubbles just so that I have a set of 3 in one style. Oh, but you see, this reflection didn't turn out so well. There is a super easy way to fix that. Let's go to the eraser tool and in the manual removal section, I'm going to choose a brush, adjust its size, and then paint over the area that I want to fix. I click remove and just like that, it's gone. I feel like I could do this for hours, but I have already generated so many images. If I want to publish these photos, I need to resize them. XDesign also has a tool for that. All of the needed formats and sizes are in here. Instagram post is 3x4, Stories 9x16, Pinterest is 2x3, and Etsy has its special size in pixels. Super convenient. So here are all of the photos I created today with XDesign, and it only took me 32 minutes. So I have some time to spare. Comment down below what you think about this. Would you want to learn more about this product? If you saw these photos on Instagram, Pinterest, or Etsy, would you want to have it? Well, I think today I proved that with XDesign we can elevate our product photography without a professional studio or a professional camera. Using XDesign is super fast, flexible, and so easy. And just so you know, there is the XDesign app. So you can really create all this content with a smartphone only. You don't even need a laptop. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Bye!